Ferris, and in today's video I kind of want to discuss an interview Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, had on YouTube yesterday. It's 35 minutes. The link will be in the description to the interview so you can watch it yourself and evaluate the information he has provided. But I want to make it clear, this man stated some very key facts on the progress of cryptocurrency and his reasons why he sold his cryptocurrency and his Litecoin because it creates a conflict of interest. And I kind of want to discuss this more for people to understand cryptocurrency, because it took me a while to understand it, and once it hit me, it was like, wow, it really was. So basically, what he was saying is, he's saying it right here. The LTC founder went on to address in decentralization the trade-offs between true decentralization, inefficient and fair, and projects that lead to a dictator-like figure, efficient yet unfair. I think that's what exactly Bitcoin's going to do. Because, yeah, Bitcoin is not the fastest thing in the world. It isn't. It's not the most convenient thing in the world. It isn't. Maybe Ripple is. And those were the pros and cons, and the money will move, and that's fine. But you got to understand, the decentralization where human corruption and human emotion will not impact the overall stakeholders' value, and the currency is the most important thing. And that's what I like about Litecoin's founder. He sold off his cryptocurrency so then he could focus more on the overall development and kind of leaving his project as his impact on the world and his gift to mankind, in a sense, when it comes to cryptocurrency. Because you don't be naive and don't fool yourself that Bitcoin's going to be the only crypto. There's going to be Bitcoin Cash, which is kind of like the evil stepbrother of Bitcoin, and it will go to test the values of Bitcoin. You'll see it one day. It's going to test the value of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will eventually win. And Bitcoin Cash might even get higher. We'll see. But you'll also start to see Litecoin taking its toll, and we'll see these coins start to come up, and we'll have about 5 to 6 maybe cryptocurrencies that will be the strong market leaders, with obviously laggards in the market as well, that will be used as general medium of exchange. The main principle here is medium of exchange when it comes to cryptocurrency, and I think that's what the Litecoin founder, Charlie Lee, really goes over in his interview. He talks about the use case of a medium of exchange. That's what you want to do with money. Money is simply to solve the greater issue, the double coincidence of wants. If you guys are not familiar with that, please do yourself a favor and research it. That's why money is there, to avoid the barter system. And I think he addresses it very well, and that's why I do believe in Litecoin, and I believe it has the most investment opportunity. It's probably the most undervalued cryptocurrency on the market right now, based on their direction. It's kind of like Bitcoin is the $100 bill, for example, or the $1,000 bill, for example, and Litecoin is maybe the 10 and the 5 and the 20, and then maybe the quarters and change will be like Ripple and another currency. If I'm trying to just establish the frame of mind for my viewers and for everyone on YouTube who wants to understand this marketplace and what cryptocurrency could potentially do for the world, is to understand that Bitcoin is not going to be the only cryptocurrency that people will be using. We'll have a variety. People will have their favorites. It's just how humans work. But I do see Bitcoin being as like the $1,000 bill, for example, and then you see Litecoin acting in forms of maybe the 50 or the 20 or the 10, where it'll be very easy to exchange, and we'll be exchanging it for, if I want to go get a meal, I'll trade Litecoin for it instead of Bitcoin, because it's not as convenient and it might be a slower process. That's the point I'm trying to get across, and I think the Litecoin's founder, Charlie Lee, was really trying to say that in the interview. I want to hear what everyone else has to think. Please let me know in the comments below. And I also want to hear, what kind of videos do you guys want to see? I want to try to provoke discussion and thoughts and lead to greater conversations and expand our capabilities of what's going on here, because we are in a very influential time, very powerful time that will be people speak about this in history 50 years from now. I'm telling you, it will happen. So just please make yourself aware of what's going on. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I am done with school, so we'll continue to put out content on a daily basis. I'm trying to get myself a new mic, so I will be working on that. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.